Namaskar. Greetings to listeners of the Journal Overseas Service, ESD All India Radio. My name is Hariom Jindal. I am advocate by profession. Besides my professional responsibilities, I am also running a project for the education of most neglected children, that is children engaged in rag picking in various parts of India. I am also the author of the book Empowerment Through Knowledge that delivers education of awakening. Recently, coronavirus has caused a lot of devastation and impacted life adversely. Looking at the pandemic nature of the virus, the government of India had to announce lockdown to save life of people. It has also asked people to maintain social distancing as this disease spreads from one infected person to another easily. The lockdown, however, does not mean that we cannot do anything. We all may have been carrying many unfulfilled wishes and desires. Some may have been wanting to read a good book, while some may have been wanting to learn music. A few may have been wanting to spend more time with family and children. However, in the normal time, we were remaining so busy in completing our day to day responsibilities that we were hardly able to find time to fulfill our soul satisfying wishes. Now, lockdown has provided an opportunity to take a break from the mad rat race and relax our mind and enjoy the serene atmosphere. The pollution level has gone down drastically, whether we talk of air pollution or noise pollution. One can hear the music produced by the chirping of birds, which was earlier lost to noise pollution caused by heavy movement of vehicle. This is the best time to fulfill our pending wishes and desires. On my part, I am spending lockdown to complete pending books on the issue of underprivileged children, poverty, and illiteracy. During the normal time, I was not getting peaceful time. Hence, my books were not making much progress. I am also preparing short videos on the transformation of slum children from rag picking to becoming awakened citizens by using the pictures captured from the beginning of the project in 2013 onwards, showing their gradual progress from learning ABCD to understanding the concepts of democracy, constitution, rights, duties, taxes, society, happiness, etc. I am also spending time to participate in web seminars on these issues. Children in the slums through smartphones are being made aware about coronavirus and precautions required to be taken to protect themselves. Slum children have written questions and answers on coronavirus on a sheet and pasted in each hut so that they are reminded about the precautions and also make others aware about it. I am also involved in helping as many needy people as possible to get groceries and other items of need. Let us utilize this lockdown period to fulfill our wishes and desires. Once life returns to normalcy, we will again become very busy. You may also think on the issues of poverty, illiteracy, and corruption and how to remove these evils from our society. While fulfilling our desires, we also have to be careful about maintaining social distancing. Following lockdown is our national duty. Let us discharge our duty with full honesty and inspire people around us to maintain social distancing. Jai Hind. Keep listening to All India Radio. Thank you.